Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing how powerful pivoting and unpivoting in Power BI is. You can find it in the transform segment. Okay, so what today I'm going to do is you can see that I have given one table. So in this table you can see the given column is ID, activity, date 1, date 2, and date 3. Okay, and what I will do, I will try to convert it into in this format. So I want my data should be in this format, not in this format. Okay, if you find this video useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's go to Power BI. I have already imported the data in Power BI. Okay, so let me change the name. So I'm changing it to data. Okay, and let me check the data again. So this is the data that I was looking into the Excel sheet. Okay, and now I have to change the structure of the structure of the table, the way it is presented here. Okay, so yes, how I can achieve it? I can achieve it via transforming the data. So I will go to transform data. Okay, so as I told you earlier that I am going to show you the power of pivoting and unpivoting. Okay, so what is the format of the table that we want? We want the table should be in this format. Okay, so you can see each activity and date 1 is merged, activity and date 2 is merged, activity and date 3 is merged. Okay, so and so for A1 activity date 1, the date is given for the ID. Okay, same A1 date 2 and ID is given. So for that one date is given. So likewise, I have to find out for all the activity and date 1, date 2, date 3, it should be merged. Okay, so now let me go to Power Pivot. So what I will do, I will first unpivot this date 1, date 2, and date 3. So what I will do, I select all the three column here. Okay, so no. So what I will do, I will select this one and then I will press shift and click on date 3, so it will automatically select all the column. Okay, now what I will do, I will transform it and I will unpivot the column. Now you can see that it is taking the shape the way I wanted. So what I want actually, activity A1 and date 1 should be merged. Same way A1 date 2 should be merged. A1 date 3 should be merged. Okay, so what I will do, I will select both the column, activity and attribute, and what I will do, I will merge it. Okay, so what I want it in a custom form and it will be separated by underscore. And what should be the name of this column? It should be like the merged column. Okay, now you can see merged column is appeared, A1 date 1, A1 date 2, A1 date 3, and likewise for all A2 activity and date is given here, and the value is also given. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to pivot this column. Okay, I will pivoting this column based on what? Based on value. But you have to keep in mind that you have to change also the advanced option that is given here. Um, what will happen if I give count all as a value function? Then let's see what happen. Okay, now you can see it is only coming out as 1 1. So for this ID and activity A1 and date 1, one count is given, one date is given. So that's why it is coming out as 1. given as 1. So this is not the way I want. I want the date should reflect it. Date should be reflected. Okay. So what I will do, I am deleting the step and again I am pivoting the column. So what I want value here. Okay. And in the advanced option, I do not want any aggregation. I want the date as it is. So I will click on do not aggregate. Okay. Now, okay. Now you can see the date is appearing for each ID and for each activity, and day, the date is given. Okay. And this is the format, or this is the structure of the table that you want. Okay. So this is the short tutorial for today. If you find this video useful, then please like and subscribe this video. And before doing that, you have to close and apply this. And whatever activity after that you have to done, you should do, you can do it. Okay. Let me go and watch the table. So yeah, it is in this format only. Okay.